Hello techies, this is CompTIA and we are going to respond to social engineering exploit. So we'll wait for this lab to load. So you are the IT security administrator for a small corporate network. Your manager has received several. Okay, so let's start up. Now, what we want to do is to look out for emails that are not necessary or that are social engineering exploit meant to steal data or information. So we'll go ahead and delete this. Let's go ahead, grammar white. Let's go ahead and delete this. This is likely spam. And let's see, website update. Doesn't matter. We'll go ahead and delete that too. Website updates. We'll go ahead and delete that. Wow, this is cool as ever. You could see this big cloud. I think this is a social engineering exploit, which is spam. We'll delete that too. Grammar wise, we're gonna delete this too. Human resources important notice. Okay, we're gonna leave that. That is from the HR pumpkin contest. Bob Alvarez presentation. And let's see. Go ahead and score lab and see how we do, and everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe. And in case you're having challenges with any of your tech courses at all and you're not sure you come out with an A at the end of the your course, don't forget to reach out to me through WhatsApp and I will ensure you come out with an A+. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.